Hello everyone, welcome to the channel QCC Guide. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today the topic of our video is how to draw the arc in the wall. So let's get started. It's our architecture template is open. So let's go to the architecture, click on the wall. You can select your wall, whatever family you want to. So let's take the generic 8 inches. Okay, so we can draw it for 20 feet. Okay, then we go to their profile of the wall. For that, what we need to do, go to the 3D view and click on the front view. Is that's the front view. Okay, so click on the wall, click edit profile. Okay, so then click on the line, simply draw the line and again click on the line, copy it 5 feet, enter. Okay, again for that you need to split. Okay, split line, that's the split like that. Okay, delete it and delete it. Click on the type on the keyboard TR for the trim and click both lines, so that's get trimmed. Okay, then in the modify tab click on this partial ellipse. Okay, so click on that, then click both of the lines and you can figure out how much radius you need at that point. So I take 2 feet 5 inches. Okay, so that's done. Then we can click on the finish. That's our finish mode is ended. That's how our wall look like. Arc of the wall is created. So thank you for watching QCC Guide. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.